Hey guys, I'm Travis, your official Blizzard review guy in Basement Hero, and welcome to another product review. Today, I've got a pair of the Blizzard Novas. The Nova is a small moving head fixture with stimulating, eye-catching looks that I think will be great for DJs, bars, and clubs. They are small and lightweight, yet durable moving heads with 4 white LEDs inside. The best part is how it uses those 4 bright LEDs to create really cool multi-beam effects. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the Nova's features and see it in action when I bring them out on the road. Overall, it's a pretty small fixture. We're looking at it here next to the G70, which you can learn all about in this video over here. The Nova weighs about 15 pounds and, as you can see, has a pretty small footprint. So you won't need much to add this to your DJ setup or club lighting installation. It's made of a very durable plastic housing which is held up out on the road. I mentioned the Nova has 4 LEDs, so looking into the lens there are 4 25-watt LEDs that are individually controllable. On the opposite side there is a fan which runs with temperature auto detect. The front panel features an easy-to-use 4-button LCD control menu for setting DMX address and accessing the built-in programs manually. The back panel is pretty straightforward. It has your 3-pin DMX input and output, AC power input and output using the PowerCon compatible twist locking connectors, and an on-off switch. Next, I'll be mounting this pair of Novas to a T-bar and plugging them in so we can take a look at what they can do with their multi-beam effects. I'll be controlling the Novas with Lucid, which is Blizzard's PC lighting control software. So I really like the Nova. The only thing it's lacking in my opinion is colors. It only has red, green, blue, and white. Other than that, I love that it's small, durable, bright, fast, and has really cool multi-beam effects. I do also want to mention that it comes with the mounting bracket that I use to rig them to the T-bar. The mounting bracket features the Omega clamp, which requires just a quarter turn to secure it to the bottom of the fixture. The Nova also comes with Blizzard's 2-year product warranty. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this review on Blizzard's Nova. If you like this video, please let me know by clicking the thumbs up, and be sure to also click subscribe for more Blizzard lighting reviews. I'm Travis, your Blizzard basement hero. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.